Short exercise 17-3, trend analysis. So Musketeer Corporation reported the following revenues and net income amounts. So we've got this window here, but they will also duplicate the information down here, so we don't need this window. But glancing at the data, the full data really quickly, it looks like both revenues are increasing and net income especially, is increasing substantially. So that's good. So our job is to calculate Musketeer's trend analysis. So trend analysis is a form of horizontal analysis. You're going left and right. So we're going to make the oldest year, 2022, our base year. So each of these other years will be divided by the base year, $8,950. And then they want us to round to the nearest percent. So no decimals. So we're going to start off with 2023. So the way we're going to calculate the trend percentage is we're going to take the year we're working on, 9050, divided by the base year, 8950, multiply it by 100 to convert it to a percentage, and round to the nearest percent. So 9050, 9050, divided by the base year, 8950, then multiply that by 100 to convert it to a percentage, and then round that to the nearest percent. So that gives us 101. Next, we're going to take 2024, which is 9355, divided by our base year, 8950, 8950, equals times 100. To convert it to a percent, we get 104.5, and it says round to the nearest percent, so that's 105%. Then for the last year, we're going to take 9610 divided by the base year, 8950, multiply 100 to convert it to a percent, and that gives us 107.3, which rounds to 107. Next, we're going to work on net income. And it looks like net income increased much greater at a much faster rate. So we're going to work with 2023. So we're going to take 5020, 5020, divided by the base year of 4300, multiply by 100 to convert it to percent, gives us 116.7. That rounds to 117%. So already you can see that net income was increasing at a much faster rate than revenue. Next, we got 2024, so that's 6790. 6790 divided by the base year of 4300 times 100 to convert it to a percent. That gives us, wow, 158% when we round it to the nearest decimal. And finally, we got last year, 7290. 7290 divided by the base year, 4300, 4300, multiply by 100 to convert to a percentage, 170%, because we have to round it to the nearest percent. So, which measure increased at a higher rate? So they both increased, both revenues and net income, but as you can see, revenue increased at a much slower rate than net income. So net income increased at a higher rate than revenues. So this company is in really good shape.